How to add music to Instagram story without losing quality. First of all, open Instagram application. Then make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. Then tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you open the profile feed, tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the settings and activity page, scroll all the way down. Then under your app and media, select data use and media quality. Make sure to toggle off the button of data saver because when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. And make sure to toggle on this upload at highest quality button under media upload quality. So this will allow you to upload the highest quality photos and videos even if uploading takes longer. But when this is off, we will automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. So when you toggle on this upload at highest quality button, you need to come back from this section and tap on your story at the top left corner. Here I have selected an image, so in order to add music to Instagram story, let's tap on music button at the top right corner of the screen. So from this For You page, you can easily scroll and find out the music that you want to add on your Instagram story, or you can also tap on browse section, and from here you can browse and search for the music, or at the top you can see the search bar, tap on it and search for the music. So let's select any music. So on the section you can easily set the clip duration also by tapping on that 15. Here in this way you can make tools 14 seconds, 13 seconds, 12 seconds and tap on done. You can also move to this small box slider and select the music from where you can add the clip from. And after that, tap on done at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your stories at the bottom left corner of the story or bottom left corner of the page. And now tap on not now. This means you don't want to sync your name and photo across Instagram and Facebook. Let's tap on done not now here. And so in this way you can add music to Instagram story without losing the quality. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.